Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video. And today we are starting the project, the earthquake project right here, as you can see. Um, Before we get into it, the project is only worth 20 points, so it's not a massive project. And it's going to be due on Tuesday. Alright, so you have today, you have Friday, you got the weekend, and you have all of Monday to turn it in, um, and then turn it in on Tuesday. So you got a few moments. You can work in partners. Your partner can be in. It can be a Monday, Wednesday person. It could be a Tuesday, Thursday person. It could be a person who's always online, but it has to be in your own hour, and that just makes it easy for me to grade when I'm not trying to figure out which hour everybody's in and blah blah blah. So just make sure they're in your own hour, and I don't care anything else besides that. Let's cap it at 3 people a group here. So let's not be having groups of 30. Let's not just have one class turn in one project. Let's cap it at groups of 3. I would extend it to groups of 4. So we'll go 4. Okay, so anywhere between 1 to 4, we'll do that. So let's get into it here and see what the directions say. Again, it's not supposed to be a super complicated one. I just want you guys to kind of look closely at one specific one. So I'll just read the directions here. So your job is to research one specific earthquake event, and will highlight key information, also specific information that is unique to the earthquake event that you chose. Below will be listed the earthquake events you can choose, along with the required information you must have in your project. 20 points total, including MLA citations, which we've done before. So here's the earthquakes you can pick from. You can go off script, but over the years, these are probably like the 10 that I see the most. So I just kind of threw them on there. So again, you can choose any one you want, but these are kind of, some of these are on here for a reason. Either they're really big or a lot of destruction, or they happen in like a unique place. So again, you can choose any one you want, but here's a good list to start from. Normally what people do is they just kind of do a quick Wikipedia search on all 10, and then they kind of just pick the one that they think is the most interesting. So pick your earthquake. Now, in your project, here's the things you have to have, right? 10 things, 2 points each, so it just makes it easy for you guys. Now, for the project, I do not care what you create. Poster, diorama, diagram. I had a group make like a news broadcast where you can make a video, all right? A lot of people do Google Slides, or they make a PowerPoint just because it's easy to throw all the information in there. I don't care what you do. Just make sure you have these 10 things in there. So here's the 10 things you have to have. Date, location, magnitude, how long it lasted, death toll and injuries, a map showcasing your event. So either a map showing where your location is. A lot of times there are like specific earthquake maps, so they'll have like the fault, or not the fault, they'll have like the focus and the epicenter on the map. So you can kind of just peruse the internet and hopefully find one. This is a big one, 7 to 10 sentence summary of your event. Obviously, so you have found all of these things up here. Now just put it into like 1 or 2 paragraphs to kind of give me the full story of what happened with your earthquake. You know, what time did it start? You know, how long did it last? You know, just things like that. So just put it into like a paragraph form. Obviously, with that comes number 8, 9, and 10, grammar, neatness and organized, and MLA citations. So obviously, when you're finding this information, you don't just know it. Okay, so make sure you are making MLA citations for that and then throwing it at the end. And again, just go to Citation Machine, and you'll be able to do that. But we'll go through MLA citations one more time on Monday to make sure we got it down. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's what we're working on the rest of this week, and the first day of next week is just earthquake project. So find a group member, work solo, don't matter to me. Figure out what type of project you want to turn in. Here's all the required stuff again, and then just get after it. Again, you guys are going to have to kind of take some ownership, especially you Monday, Wednesday people, because you're obviously not in school today, not in school tomorrow, so making sure you're getting your stuff done. All right, 20 points. That's all I got for you guys. Good luck working, and I'm excited to kind of see what you guys come up with.